Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Beauty on the Go with Sherese. So today I'm going to show you guys how to put on tattoo edges. Yes, tattoo edges. I've never done it before. This would be my first time, so I said, why not? Try something new. So I have, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different tattoo edges, and I'm about to show you exactly how they look. All are different, so I'm going to probably do one on one side and the other on the other side, so 2 different styles of baby hair edges. Let's see how it go. So Beauty on the Go with Sherese. Let's go. So I'm going to start out with the swoop on this side of my head. So what I did was cut the edges so that way it can be an easy install when it's time to apply it on my edges. So what we'll need to use is cotton balls, we'll need alcohol, and we'll also need water. Before I start anything, I'm going to clean off my skin with alcohol. I'm going to clean it off really good so that way the edges can stick properly. And then you go on down the other side and do the same thing. So now it's time to apply. So you take the white adhesive film off and then you just apply it to your edges just like that. And then you have your water with your cotton ball and then you just dap in really good to saturate the paper so that way your edges can stick on from the other side. So after you keep dapping it with water, then you're gonna peel back the film and see what happens. Yep, keep dapping it because the white film is on there. So you wanna just make sure you just dap it, try to clear it out. So now we're gonna take the second one and peel the film back and apply it right up under the first one. So we're gonna apply it, we're gonna saturate it with water, and then we're gonna peel it back and see what happens. I'm going in, I keep dapping it with water so that way it stays moisturized, so that way the white film that's on there won't show as much. Now I'm gonna go in with the third one, and that's the one near the ear. So I'm gonna apply that, and I'm gonna saturate it with water. And after I saturate it with water, then I'm going to peel it back like I did the others, and then we're gonna see what happens. I'm going to use a different tattoo for the other side of my head. This tattoo only comes in one section. It doesn't come in 3 like the other side did. So I'm going to just measure up my head, get it right, make sure the tattoo is on correctly. So after I get done trying to figure out where I want the tattoo, then I'm going to saturate it with water. So now I'm gonna peel back and see how that comes out. Wait, I see a bunch of film. Wait, hold on. Let me just go through the bottom. I'm gonna start up from the bottom and peel. Oh man, oh shoot, oh, look at all that white film. I'm gonna saturate it some more with water and see if it disappears. Hold on, y'all. Let's get it, let's get it. I don't know, this is different. Well, this is a learning experience. Look at this side and the other side. Thanks for watching. Beauty on the Go with Sherese. Oh, let's go.